Hello, in this video, we will discuss how we can make profit and loss report or sheet or income or expense sheet in Excel. In front of you, there is one sheet which shows income, or you can call it dashboard, income, expense, profit, and loss. It is shown. This way of a report or sheet can be used in maintaining the personal expenses or for a small business. So it is useful if you are maintaining your own personal monthly or weekly or yearly expenses and losses or incomes. Then it is nice way. Anytime you can come and see in one glance, one quick view on the top, you can see what was the income, expense, profit, and loss. So it is nice way to present it, and the presentation really matters. This I am telling you based on my professional experience, that presentation really matters. How you present things, it is important if you are in personal, although in personal life and as well as in the professional life. The way you present, sometimes a thing is very simple. When you present it in nice way, it really matters. It impress others. Okay, let's start. Before starting, I'll show you this is income, expense, profit, and loss. Automatically, it is calculated. On the left hand side here, income sources are entered, and on right hand side in this table, expenses are shown. You can see here the salary income is there, rent is there, land sale profit is there. These are just some sample things. So expenses, school fee, petrol, mobile bill, electric bill. I will show you. Let's say if I change a value here, the income I reduce it to 20,000. Okay, so automatically you will see the losses change. If I'll make it more income, the loss is reduced. But if reduce the expenses here, let's say, now you can see there is a profit, monthly profit is there, loss is zero. So the way how it works, as soon as you enter the data, automatically it calculates the values. Okay, let's start without wasting any time. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do it so you can receive my latest videos. Also visit my Excel playlist. Lot of informative videos are there. Okay, let's start. First of all, we'll make a table, serial number, then date. This is for income. Um, uh, income detail, income details, amount, means the way how you earn the income. The one we can leave one cell here. We will make the expense table, date, okay, and expense details and amount. Okay, here it is date, not data. Fine. Okay. Now what we will do, we will change its color and we will do some makeup work uh, to make it presentable. As I told you, presentation really matters. And we can select this table. We can, okay, this format painter and remove this cell. So, okay, we can make like this, a little lighter color. So all this work is to present the data. Okay, now here we can select the number of cells like this to make a dashboard look. Okay, we can give any color. like this. Okay, now we will adjust the columns cell size of this table. Select the serial number and hold the control key and then click this cell. So both the serial numbers are selected. Now when I will adjust the width of one column, automatically width of other column will be changed. So keep the control button pressed, okay, like this, and automatically serial number for both the tables is changed. You can see. Okay, now same thing for date. Click on date, control button, hold the control button, date, keep the hold button pressed and increase. We can increase the date size. And then for income, same thing. Okay, keep the control button pressed. You can see automatically. In this way, you can adjust both the table exactly same. Otherwise, if you will try to do manually, you will increase this will be less, so it cannot be done accurately. Then amount. Okay, I think now it's better. We can center a line and bold. Format painter I will use, and I will use the same format here. Okay, so it's looks better now. Now we will insert some shapes here. Go to insert illustrations. Note I am using Office 365. It has different look. Maybe to add shapes in your version of Excel, you will find in different menus here. So anyways, you have to add shapes. Shapes, I will choose this square shape, rectangle actually. So, and like this, make one cell, one rectangle like this. Okay, and then go to its fill color. Fill color, we will make it white. Outside line also white. Okay, like this, and then just resize it like this. Inside that, we will add a text box here. Okay, or we can add not a text box, we will add another square shape. Okay, like this, adjust according to your requirement. And inside we will type text box, inside we will type income. Okay, we will make it black. Its color is black. We can increase its size. Income. Okay, and then go to shapes, shape format, make it white, and border is also white. We will adjust it like this, and the color we can change it. The income, instead of black, we can make it green, dark green. I think it will be better. Bold, income. It will be okay. Now, what we will do, we will add another cell here where we will display our output values, and I will, okay, like this. And right now I will not format it. I will format it later. Okay, now what I'll do, I will copy this, select with control button, select all. Okay, and then you can hold the control button and drag it away. You will see automatically, I'm just holding the control. button and just clicking the cell and just drag on the right side. So the same copy is made and it is moved like this. Okay. Now hold again, selected. While selecting everything, hold again and then drag on the right side. You can see same. In this way, you can make 100% same size. Otherwise, you cannot adjust. And one more we want. Okay. So now income, expense. We have to adjust the size of expense, and then profit and loss. Okay. Now loss is there. Now what we will do, we will use icons. You can see these icons. You can search on the Google. There you can, using the snip tool, snip. Okay, you can snip and paste here. I will use the same. Okay, so just place it here. So I just searched them from the Google, and there I took uh, the you can say copy and pasted, and I'm using them here. So actually, by adding these icons, it is always nice to represent your data. They really add the value. When you will, if you are in really professional life, or you are going to be in professional life, these kind of presentations, they matter. Management always want to see these nice presentations. The way of presentation of data, it matters. Okay, now this is ready. On top of it, here we can uh, write the name of the organization. In my case, I will use my organization name, means my this channel. It is Tech Learning Hub. Okay, you can choose your organization name here. Okay, merge the cell, and you can bold and increase the size like this, whatever according to your requirement. And here we will write uh, profits and loss sheet. You can name it. Okay, just select all these cells, three, merge and write a line. And I will copy the same format. You will be aware of the format copier. This I am using that to format the same here. Okay, so like this we can present. Here we can give we can fill with some color, maybe dark one like this, and I will select it here and will give a this double border. You can see on the bottom. Yeah, this one, the double border. You can see this line, so it's looking nice now. Okay, now let's come to the data. Now what we will do, select this table, and we have to make it in the table form. There are two options. Control T, press Control and T, table will be enabled, or otherwise if you go to um, sorry, where is that option? Normally I use Control T. Okay, so press Control T. Sorry, here it is in home. This is the option. Format as table. You can select any of the table. Okay, table is selected. and you check this first. My table has header, check this box, okay, because we have headers. When we'll check this, automatically first row in the table will be considered as headings. Okay, you can see headings are there, and same table we will select here. Again, check the box and tables are selected. We can it is up to you if you want to fill any color here or no. It is up to you. Okay, now fill the data. The serial number one, date is, let's say, okay, what I'll do, I'll change the cell format. Select this date, right click, and this cell format, go to date, and how you want to see the date, you can select. Let's say I will choose this option. Okay, so it will come 14 March 12, like this it will come. Same thing we can select here, right click, cell format, date, and this option. Okay. Now the date you will enter in numbers, automatically it will change it to, first it will come months. Remember, I am making this table, this sheet for the January 2023. So first is January, then date means 2nd of January, and then the year is 23. Look, automatically it changed the date in the format which we enter. Salary, my income, mean of income was, source of income is a salary, let's say it is 100,000. Okay, and second is you can see um, rent. Sorry, it was a date here. So I also receive this is a month, and then on 5th of January I receive the rent. It is around 50K. And then another income I can enter, it is on 10th, sorry, month will come first, January 10th, 23, it is, let's say, profit from land sale. Okay, so it is, let's say, again 80K. Now what we can do, we can select this cell and go to the cell format. We will use select the numbers and reduce the decimal to 0, and check this, use thousand separator. It will separate with the comma. So select this. You can see now it is doing like this. We can copy this cell, copy, and we can paste here, paste simple. So automatically the format will be pasted. Later on we will change the values. Here again, expenses date is, let's say, 6 January, January 6 23. We have expense fee, we paid school fee. Okay, then it was let's say on 7 of Jan, yeah, it was electric bill or utility bill, we can say, utility bills. Okay, and then 10 of 1/10/23, it is mobile re see recharge. Okay, so let's say school fee was 20,000. Okay, and utility bills were 15,000, and the recharge was 1,000. Like this, you can show any expenses. Okay, now we will link this to these cells, but before linking, actually, we can directly write here the formulas in this table, in this blue box, we will show the number, but it is not possible. We have to use some, wait, I have to, okay, formula bar was invisible. So first I will calculate here. We need some space to calculate profit. Okay, first income, total income, income, expense, okay, profit and loss. You will calculate it first here, and then you will insert that value here. Income means sum of these numbers. So therefore, this is equal to sum. Okay, no, sorry, this is equal to sum and these values. We can drag it down till end. So if we add, this is income, total income, expense is equal to sum, and this is your expense, sum of, okay. Profit, how we will calculate? We will use if function. If what we will say, if when profit will happen, when expense is less than income, then there will be a profit, otherwise it will be zero. So we'll say if expense is less than income, definitely then there will be a profit, comma, then what to do? Then income minus expense, otherwise print zero. You can see if we are saying if expense is less than income, then what to do? Then do this, income minus expense, otherwise print zero. Means if expense is more than income, then no profit, print zero, otherwise do the calculation. You can see we have a profit of this amount, and for loss again we will use the same if function. If we will say if expense is greater than income, okay, then we will do the calculation. Calculation will be what? Minus expense, because we don't want to show the numbers in negative. If we will minus income minus expense, then it will negative value will come. Therefore, we are minusing, we are subtracting expense minus income, because expense will be a greater value, so it will come in positive. Otherwise, press zero, enter zero. You can see this is the profit, loss is zero. Okay. Now we will move these values to these boxes. Select the box, then go to this formula bar, press equal to, this is income, and this cell reference, select. Okay, enter. It will come there. Now again, select this, equal to expense, enter. profit equal to profit and loss equal to loss. This cell, enter. Okay, so now data is there. Now we will do some more makeup work. This amount we will okay, what we will do, we'll go to the shape format, no fill, no outline fill. Okay, we will hide this. Okay, now we'll format this, the numbers which are there. Select this box, okay, press bold, and we can choose any color. I think black will be fine. No, this is the fill color. We can make it bigger size. Okay, like this. It looks fine now. Again, select this. Okay, and what we will do, we will select format painter and select this. Automatically it will take the, again select this format painter, format. Now you can see our sheet is almost ready. And whenever we will change any value, let's say I will show loss, I will reduce the income. Let's say this month there was no salary, 0. Okay, still we have high income. We'll press okay, and let's say it is 12K. You can see in this month now the income is only 1200 rupees, or whatever the currency is, and expense is high, therefore the loss is shown here. And if I'll increase again profit, income more, you can see it is automatically calculating and shifting. Now when few things are remaining, we can hide this. You can see this looks bad here. How we can hide? Select it. Okay, go to the color font color and make it white. It is gone. It is not visible.